Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the topic life of workers after the introduction of industries from the chapter Age of Industrialization of History. Now, as we have seen that from 1730s or end of 18th century and the start of 19th century, the industries have taken place of the hand labor. Eventually, the uses of industries or factories or machines have increased drastically. So, the importance of the labor and the workers has reduced significantly. In this video, we are going to learn about the problems or the difficulties which has been encountered by the workers after the introduction of industries. So we know that we are talking about an era which is in Victorian era of Britain, when there were abundance of labor, and due to this people faced a lot of difficulties to earn unlimited wages as well. So due to abundance of labor, people has to move here and there in search of job, because now there is no jobs or very less jobs are available in the countryside. So when they got the news of jobs, availability of jobs in the cities, they rushed towards the cities. Move from countryside to cities in search of job, after getting the information or after getting the news that the jobs are available in the cities. Now, what happened when they moved to the cities? Now, these jobs were available, but these jobs were only grabbed or achieved by those people or those workers whose friends or relatives are already working in any of the industries. If there is no social communication of yours, then you might not be able to secure any job in any of the industries in the cities. But yes, if you have any friends or relatives who are working or any sort of social communication with the people who are working in the industry, then it will widen your path to get into the industry and get a job, secure a job over there. Now, what happens to them? Look, it took a long time. Sometimes it took weeks, sometimes it took months to secure a job in any of the industry there in the cities. Now, due to this, many of the people who have not secured the job yet, they have to spend their nights on the roads, under the bridges, in the night shelters. Sometimes those who are a bit worthy, they have opted night refugees or casual wards which has been established by the poor law authorities in England. So they have to spend their nights there, and in the daytime they are in search of jobs. Now, another problem with the industries are that these industries generally runs on a seasonal basis. It means the production are done on a particular period or on a particular in a particular season. So rest of the time, or say the production or the work in the factory runs in 3 or 4 or 5 months in a year, and rest 5-6 months the industry remains closed. So there is no requirement of workforce in that. So those who are working with the industries, they are also having some difficulties that in 5-6 months of production they are engaged and they are working as a worker there, but rest of the period of closure of the factories, they remained out of those industry, and some of them have to look forward for the odd jobs in the cities, and some whose properties or the lands are there, they move to the villages, again back to countryside, and start their agricultural work. And most of them remained there, many of them remained in the cities, and they look for the odd jobs. Odd jobs means jobs, small jobs like doing some of the work for a family, washing clothes, washing dishes, or washing car or doing any of the other things, rickshaw pulling or any other odd jobs for some of the people or some of the families. So these kind of jobs people look forward and they do the jobs there as well. Now, as there is no job available in those dull season. Now moving ahead, earlier days of earlier years of 19th century has given an increased wages to the workers even. So the workers were somehow able to get increased wages in the earlier 19th century, but that is also not very significant. We need to understand that wages increased in early 19th century, but not sufficient. The wages are generally not sufficient and not coping up. They were unable to cope up with the rising prices or the rising prices of food and other commodities. It means though the wages have increased, but that is not significant with the market or the prices of the food or other commodities. And why this happens? This happens due to prolonged Napoleonic War. So we have learned about Napoleonic War in the first chapter, that is the rise of nationalism in Europe, where we have learned about the ambitious King Napoleon and how his journey occurred. How he was very much firm, determined to conquer the whole Europe, and for that sake he was in a long, he has created a long era of Napoleonic War, when every time he is in war. So this prolonged war in the early 19th century has created a kind of situation where the prices of the products or commodities or food items were increased significantly. And again, these workers have failed to cope up with the, secure the decent amount of food or other commodities with the limited wages. Now, most importantly, that it's a data given here. I hope you people can see this data at the last line. That yes, in the there's a data of 1830s. It has been, it has been calculated that the rate of unemployment remained or lies between somewhere around 35% to 75%. So the huge unemployment has been seen in the early 19th century due to the either we could say that due to this introduction of industries, or as well as the miserable condition of the workers as well. So both of the things we have compared here or discussed here. So I hope you got the concept or idea about how difficult or miserable was the life of this worker after the introduction of industries and in the early 19th century. So there might be some questions related to this. So in the next video, this is all about this today's class. In the next video, we are going to talk about a new topic, that is introduction of spinning jenny. Spinning jenny is a kind of new invention, and that created again a kind of revolution, and that created again sometimes of problems for those workers or women workers. So we'll talk about this, that spinning jenny and further developments in the next class. Thank you. If you like the class, please put your comment below, and most importantly, if you have any sort of question or query related to this, you are free to ask me in my WhatsApp group or in the comment box below. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.